Honda recall faulty replacement airbags. Consumer Reports has no financial relationship with advertisers on this site. Honda is recalling 1.1 million cars, SUVs, and pickup trucks because they have replacement driver's side airbag inflators that were manufactured incorrectly. That raises the risk this is not part of the planned rollout of Takata airbag replacements, a Honda representative told CR. A statement from Honda says the company discovered the issue after a 2004 Honda Odyssey minivan was involved in a single vehicle crash in January 2018. The van's drivers, when Honda looked into the crash, it discovered that inflators manufactured at Takata's facility in Monclova, Mexico, experienced manufacturing process errors that introduced excessive moisture into the inflator during assembly. Moisture can speed, according to a chronology of events provided to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. These inflators were used as replacements for the original Takata driver's side airbag inflators. Honda says that it has replacement parts available for affected owners, all from alternate suppliers, and will begin conducting free repairs immediately. In addition, owners will start getting notifications in early April, the automaker says. These vehicles were already part of the largest and most complex automotive recall in U.S. history, covering at least 50 million Takata airbag inflators in 37 million vehicles from 19 manufacturers, according to NHTSA. The devices use ammonium nitrate to inflate the airbag in the event of a crash. The ammonium nitrate, at least 15 drivers and passengers in the U.S. have died and more than 250 people have been injured because of the airbag inflators, NHTSA says. Vehicles involved 1.1 million cars, SUVs, and pickup trucks, including. The problem in the manufacturing process, the inflators labeled PSDI-5 were exposed to too much moisture, raising the possibility that they could rupture, shooting sharp metal fragments into the cabin. The fix Honda says it has replacement parts available for affected owners, and will begin notifying them in early April. It also says how to contact the manufacturer. Owners can check to see whether their vehicle needs a replacement airbag by checking GA-end, or they can call 888-234-2138. NHTSA campaign number 19B182. Check to see whether your vehicle has an open recall. NHTSS will tell you whether your vehicle has any open recalls that need to be addressed. If you plug your car's 17-digit vehicle identification number VIN into NHTSA's website and this recall doesn't appear, it means your vehicle doesn't currently have any open recalls. Because Consumer Reports is an independent, non-profit organization that works side by side with consumers to create a fairer, safer, and healthier world. CR does not.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.